while. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, it's MG, and I have actually picked up the camera for the first time. Is it first time this year? Yeah. Because we're going to Center Parcs for the weekend. Yay! Once again, just me and Hannah. We're going Monday to Friday. No, Friday to Monday. It's Friday today, so I am just getting the rest of my things packed up. Hannah's actually at work, so I'm on packing duty. She will be home actually soon. And then we're going to go for some food shop and then head over. I am very excited. I actually have missed basically talking to a camera. But yeah, we've got lots of things planned. I've actually found Hannah's GoPro, so we can show you the new ride. Well, the water ride. But yeah, let's go finish packing. Yeah. Oh, hello. Sorry if the coats are in the way. This is all I got packed so far. My makeup. So yeah. Start time lapse. One down, one to go. Just thought I'd come on, give you an update. Hannah's home, she's getting ready. We just need to put the case in the car and then we are off. It's already about 1:30, so no time to lose. Hold it. Hello. I am in the car, ready to set off. A little bit later than planned, but we'll get there anyway. In traffic. On the road we do every day. Oh, whoops. On the road we do every day. On the road I do every day. Yeah, this is why I go on the other road. Santa goes on the other road, so she doesn't so she have to go on the motorway.
If we'd have gone the other road, we'd be there now.
But hey ho, we'll get there at some point.
Just don't like it no more.
We do actually need to go for some food shopping, so we've gone out. We've gone Aldi or
skipping McDonald's.
We were going to Mackey's. We're not going in there. So we've gone Aldi.
Oh, he's indicating out.
He's indicating out.
Make sure your breathing is nice.
It literally has queues ahead, look.
It says queue ahead.
Oh.
A queue to get to
Great.
See what you can do.
New
Can't actually
upgraded
that
customers on select plans only. Switch up via stores.
Somewhere.
Eligibility device checks and exclusions apply. Terms and verification at
And they're all moving like.
As a small business,
Yeah, because I bet people are
in your power to
getting in
They're
that
going
way.
down then, shoving in.
Yeah.
But not
just
having
can't
cyber
do it.
protection is like going out
So
and
I'll
leaving the
up you
door
this
wide open.
when we're
Still what?
Don't do
update,
that.
yeah.
Help
Don't think
protect
that's
your
what you said.
organisation in under 5 minutes.
Let me get to
with
Aldi.
cyber action plan.
we have arrived at Aldi.
Yeah, we need to go.
Let's go. We have came out of Lidl, not Lidl, Aldi. Shopping is complete.
It was so cheap. You know what? It's because we always go M&S for my dinner.
Yeah. So we're back in the car, stuck in another queue to get Center Parcs.
I should have got a little meal deal for my dinner on a good day at
Oh
work.
yes. But yeah, we'll see you up the hill when I'm filming the Center Parcs zone. You're a bit far away.
I know, I pulled weight.
Hello. Yeah. Oh,
You should have
I
it.
should have that. Gibson. Yeah. I've got it now.
She's got it.
381.
I've been on before last time.
Pardon? Oh yeah.
Oh, the fucking car behind me.
What you done, Hannah?
My turn.
Should drop my potato sausages. These are just one on the mud.
There's two, one here.
Oh.
So yours, there you go. I'll take my laptop. Girls. Oh.
Oh, there we go.
So you can only get in with one of our bags?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Oh,
You're welcome past.
well past.
Oh,
We have arrived. It's very cute.
the outside lights.
Yeah. I'll take you on to it. We have been in, dropped the bags off,
Can we
but
turn the light on?
oh no. Is it this one? No, that one.
Ah.
There. Lots of different lights. So let's go. So we come in the usual little hooks. Hello, Hannah.
Hi.
The kitchen. What's in here? Oh, bins. Oh, a nice little fridge, microwave, mug, another Hannah.
Oh, that's
then-
not a cupboard.
It's a dishwasher.
No.
We go into the bathroom.
This is the...
A little spa bath. A nice little photo there. Towels. Another little mirror. Heated surface. Obviously toilet. Oh, a spa bath. Ooh. Into the main living area. A little makeup station.
Sorry.
Shelves. Wardrobe. Another mirror. How many mirrors? The bed. The sofa's there, the telly. This is the outside. We're facing some trees, but yeah. We're sorted. Oh, I left it off. We're sorted. We're going to put the car back and then it's spa time.
Shit, I forgot I had to put the car back.
Wow.
1 second to sunlight just story. Anything off.
This camera quality is great. I'm on my phone. But we're out of the spa. 1 second. Oh, that's better. We're out the spa.
Is that nice lighting or not?
Not too bad.
Oh.
And we're off for some tea because it's quite late. But yeah. We are back from the spa. We quickly put some food in because it's 9 o'clock. And we are starving, so got a box.
Oh yeah.
That'll be on. Oh, we've got 2 remotes. Is that DVD player?
Never. If I'd have known that.
Never. Look at this. What is this? Oh, sorry. Oh my god, it's a DVD player.
How do I? Oh.
Unlock that.
It's going up really. Oh.
The food is ready.
This is cute and it doesn't look too much either.
No. We have a range of food which I cannot wait for. Hannah's also got teriyaki, baked chicken, beef. Can't remember. Let's tuck in.
The blades. For an efficient cutting action and exceptional comfort. Enjoy efficient exfoliation in one stroke. Put your best face forward. With new Gillette Labs Edition, the ultimate shave for your money back.
And you know that when I can dry my clothes outside, well, the weather doesn't always cooperate. Very and durable fabric softener makes our washing as fresh as if it's been outside, even when drying.
Go for a walk.
Outdoor freshness and still so soft, even next to sensitive skin. Very adorable, very soft, and fresh as it's dried outside.
With Expedia, you can save when you book your
Clap
flight,
your hands.
hotel, and card.
Oh god, again.
Customized packages at your protected.
Okay.
It's just everywhere, like everywhere.
Yeah.
It's more expensive, but it's hard to figure out where the best place to
We
go.
have demolished
I'm the
food.
queen of the reduced rate section. Yeah,
This is-
we love it. Meat that's all we go to. There's
Just
so
off
many
the
veggies
table.
in there. We came out with bacon. Bacon in it.
So we're going to
which
watch
I didn't know was a thing. So we
Wrexham
bought it.
on Disney Plus of yours. I might update you later. I might not. If not, goodbye. Say bye, Hannah. Good night.